Welcome to a relaxing sounds video. First off, this book makes a really nice sound. It's loud, but very woody, I'd say. Let's do a quick read through. That's a good book. Okay, next we have Dreamsicle. You guys really like the sound of this lid and this lid. Okay. Next, we have tin can that I have all of my crochet stuff in it. Another one you guys loved was this and this. So let's see here. Which color's your favorite? This one, that 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 one, or that one. Which one's your favorite? Okay. Now, surprisingly, you guys really liked walking through the forest. I don't know why I'm doing this. This just sounds like footsteps, so you're walking through the forest. You guys really like that. I've got an idea. You're walking, and you are a pirate. And finally, you stumble upon an X. You find an X on the floor. So, you dig it up, and inside you find treasure. I couldn't really think of a good thing for treasure, so that's it. Really quickly, I'm just going to skinning. Next, I'm going to ask you to look at this light up here. Do not look at the pen. Do not look at the pen. Look at the light. Do not look at the pen. Okay, now look at the pen. Do not look at anything else. Just follow the pen. Follow the pen. Follow the pen. And okay, now look at my nose. Do not look at the pen. Okay, look at the light. Look at the light. All right, look at the pen. Look at my nose. Look at the pen. Okay, good job. Now, this is corner 1. This is corner 2. Down here is corner 3. And this is corner 4, okay? I want you to look at corner 1. Look at corner 1. Do not look anywhere else. Okay, switch to corner 2. Look at corner 2. Do not look at the pen. Look at corner 2. Okay, now look at corner 3. Do not look at anything else. And now look at corner 4. Okay, now look to any corner that you'd like. Either 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay. Now, can you close your eyes? And can you tell me whether this sound is close or far? Ready? Close or far? Good. Close or far? Okay. and closer far. Okay, and closer far. Great job. Okay, you did a great job. Hopefully this uploads. See you in the next video.